To hard reset POCO X8 Pro in the recovery mode, first of all, we have to turn off this phone. So for me, I'm just gonna click and hold the power button. We have to slide up into the power off and take a look. On the left side, when you are holding this phone like that, you can find the volume up button and the power button. So we have to take a look on the screen and press and hold both buttons at the same time. And when the screen turns on, we have to quickly remove power button, but still we have to hold this volume up button until we enter for the recovery mode. Next, by using volume down button or volume up, you can navigate. If you want to confirm, you have to click power button. So select wipe data, select wipe all data, scroll to confirm, and now the reset is on the way. After the reset, the hard reset will be complete. Your POCO X8 Pro will give you this information that data wiped successfully. You have to click on the power button, select reboot, select reboot to system, and now we will go back into your phone and you will have to set it up.